Hey there, in today's video I'm going to be sharing a new case study with you of a septic installation contractor that finally got their internet marketing right. Before they came to us, they had 3 negative 1-star reviews, and it was very hard for them to pick up new business online. Really, when people saw that, they didn't want to reach out, and it gave the company an overall negative perception. Now, this business was successful from the referral side, but as you know, referrals can be sometimes unpredictable and few and far between. So having a nice, steady flow of high-value leads coming in for high-value installation projects and things like that can really help out. So I'm going to share with you the transformation real quick and then have Kathy share her actual story of where she's at now. As you can see, the company now has a 4.7 rating on Google and 44 5-star reviews. And this happened in a relatively short period of time, and it's made a dramatic impact for their business and personal lives. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, Excavation Marketing Pros is dedicated to the success of excavation and septic contractors. And we have some free resources. Below this video, in the description and in the comments section, you'll see quick links. If you click that, it will take you to a page like this where we have a free mastermind group where we talk about strategies to grow your business, and we have other free resources there as well, documents, tools, tips, and so on. We're updating that constantly, so go ahead and bookmark that page. All right, so thank you so much. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so today I am here with Kathy Dyer of Dyer Inc. How are you, Kathy?
I'm very well, Scott. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. So tell us a little bit about Dyer Inc., your company, what you guys do, and so on.
We have been in business for 34 years, and we install septic systems. We pump, repair all types of septic systems. We do realty inspections. We do pump repair. Anything to do with sanitation, it is what we do, and it's what we have done. So
Nice.
we have a lot of knowledge, a lot of information that me being the first contact on the phone, that I can answer questions, and I made it my business to have that information. So that part always goes well.
Very nice. And can you describe a little bit about what your life was like before getting started with us?
We were struggling with online image. The previous management company was not helping us advance or get better or monitoring. And when you found us, it was like it was the fit, Scott. You know, you found us, you contacted us, you reached out, and it has been a very, very good, can't think of the word, collaboration, can't even talk either. And there's been bumps, mostly because it's my learning ability these days, but it has been all positive. Everything is working better, we're getting good feedback from information that is being processed. We're getting good feedback from people that I'm talking to on the phone, and it's just all positive, and it is doing exactly what we were hoping it would do.
That's great. Let's talk a little bit about when you got started, how you were operating things, and how, like, what sort of systems do you have in place now to help you out?
In the past, everything was done manually would be the short answer. A lot of writing down, a lot of transferring that written information to other places. Some of it we still have to do because of state laws for, like, invoices. We have to have copies in the truck for 3 days. So we can't get away from producing a triplicate invoice by hand. But what has really helped is that that now, instead of just the information going from here to a memo board to an invoice, yes, I still write everything down because it's easier for me to look back. But by entering it into contacts and entering it into the calendar and being able at just a moment to flip back and say, okay, was this person done? And then I can satisfy, yes, it is. I can move on. And it really, really has helped. Was there growing pains on my end? Absolutely. But it's really good, all of it, and our online presence, everything that we were hoping to accomplish that you believed we could accomplish, you have and we have. And I just think it's going to get better.
Awesome. And so what type of results have you seen thus far that you can speak of?
Definitely an increase in calls and messages. I am struggling a little bit with a text message, but that's personally, not that I can't do it. It's just getting off the phone to be able to look at that. But when the responses I am getting from people that I'm talking to, I can hear the difference in their voice and of the questions they're asking. Well, I see that you've been in business over 10 years. Well, actually, we've been in business 34. So it's like, if I can get a customer on the phone, it's rare that I can't book an appointment.
Awesome.
So all of this whole program has enhanced our online presence. Everything that your company does and you personally have helped us just be better, to look better. Not that we're not doing anything different professionally that we did before, but now people are seeing it online. They're seeing the professional side and the information that is on our website and everything that has been put in place to bring our rating to the 5-star we always believed we were because of just personal feedback. Well, now there is a platform that information can be left if they choose to, and everybody can see it. So Bill and I both feel it's just been really positive. And Scott was extremely patient with everything because we had 2 new programs that broke within 3 days of each other. And really, I was drowning. I was in brain overload, but every day it gets better and every day the presence is better. So I can't say enough good things.
Awesome. So for those who are on the fence about getting started with Excavation Marketing Pros, would you tell them that it's worth it?
Absolutely. And they will find, yes, with it, it's an investment. And when we look in business, when we look at enhancing or adding, cost is always a factor. And when we decided to fit the cost into our business structure, it was a really, really good choice. And if somebody is on the fence, honestly, I don't think anybody would be disappointed because of the caliber of the company and of the personnel. People would be like us, be grateful.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Kathy. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Scott.